How does $100 of free PDR tools and a risk-free way to try out online PDR training sound to you? Good? Then watch this video. Hey, what's going on? It's Jim here with Real World PDR. So you haven't seen a whole lot of me for like the last 6 months or something like that, but I got a pretty good excuse. I had a heart attack. So after the heart attack, I took some time off to take care of my physical and mental health, and I would say that it's worked. I feel better than ever, and I'm back, and I'm chomping at the bit to create more content for you guys. Also, the folks over at Anson PDR know what we're capable of, know that our program kicks out real PDR techs. Real PDR techs need real tools. Anson has more tools than anybody, and they want to sell them. So they're going to help us out too. So to help kickstart Real World PDR again and help get us out in front of some new faces, Anson has decided to throw in some items that'll make trying Real World PDR risk-free to you. So for the next 30 days, not the first 5, not the first 10, but every single person who signs up for Real World PDR Monthly is gonna get a welcome pack from Anson. That's gonna include the Tipster Tip Mat. It holds your tips. Eventually you'll have a buttload of tips and you'll need to put them somewhere. So how about this tip mat? The tip mat does a great job of keeping these tips really secure too. Tequila Bomber Knockdown. You'll find that a good knockdown is one of the most important tools in your toolbox, and this is definitely one. Make sure you check out this very YouTube channel to see Hudson do a review of this thing. A Dead Dent Tools Stainless Patina BB Tip. That's hard. Try saying that. With the urethane push-on cap. Now, I am a big fan of BB tips anyways because of how versatile they are. But adding this urethane push-on tip makes it even more versatile and makes me even more of a fan. Dead Dent Tools did a great job with this tip. This cap from Anson just makes it better. Finally, you'll also get a window wedge, which is also a clip remover, R&I tool. That's neat. You're gonna need a window wedge to work those dents and dings indoors, but why not have it double as an R&I tool as well? This one does that and it does a great job. So altogether, that is $100 worth of free tools that you'll be getting. And these are tools you're gonna want or need anyway to start your PDR journey. So that means your first month of Real World PDR training will be covered with the free tools that you'll be receiving. That's going to give you access to hundreds of PDR tutorial videos that we have at realworldpdr.com. So sign up at realworldpdr.com today to get your $100 free welcome pack of PDR tools from Anson and access hundreds of online tutorial videos from Real World PDR. You think that's it? That ain't it. We got more. Over the next several months, just by being a member of Real World PDR Monthly, you'll be entered in to win some big ticket giveaways from Anson, like a trifecta cordless glue gun. Anson is going to give us one of these to give away to one member of Real World PDR. Another member of Real World PDR is going to get an entire set of the tactical grip handles. Anson's also offered to kick in a whole set of the tequila ice picks. Man, it keeps getting better. But there's more. How about a full set of the Door Lord door tools? Bladed or sharp tip? You choose. I recommend bladed. How about a Limident version 3 light? That's a value of $600 that Anson's kicking in for one of you members of Real World PDR. So all you have to do is sign up at realworldpdr.com for PDR Monthly. We'll email you asking for your shipping address, and then Anson is going to send you your welcome pack. And for all you current and incoming members, all you have to do is nothing, and you're already entered in to win some of those big ticket items from Anson. So thank you all the subscribers here, all the members of Real World PDR for your patience over the last 6 months or so since I had the heart attack. Also, I need to give a huge thank you to the folks at Anson for lending us a hand and helping get realworldpdr.com back up and rocking. So again, it is risk-free to try www.realworldpdr.com with the help of our friends at Anson. If you sign up for PDR Monthly, you are going to receive $100 in free tools from Anson PDR. Also, all the members, current and in the next 30 days, you're going to be entered in to win some of those big ticket items also from Anson PDR. So have access to the entire library that's hundreds of videos from the #1 most recommended online PDR tutorial site, that's realworldpdr.com, and get $100 worth of free PDR tools and be entered in to win one of those big ticket items from AnsonPDR.com. This is really a no-brainer. What are you waiting for? RealWorldPDR.com, PDR monthly, go now.